How is it? Okay. Why is it the network is very slow?
Yeah, the network got
Add Mark in the group.
Mark in there? Mark in there?
Is it the same? I think it's the same. Yeah. Same thing. Let me just post it to Telegram. Is it now on? Is it working? Are we now live?
I'm not seeing anything.
I'm
not seeing anything.
on my channel.
Yeah.
Production manager, what are you doing?
It's the Wi-Fi, you see?
So that means what's happening? The Wi-Fi is a problem.
Live, 12 watching.
Serious? Welcome guys, welcome. How are you? Yo, we're struggling. We're struggling. I wanted to start this live at 12 sharp, but we had a lot of technical problems. But I think they're now sorted out. So let me just quickly share the link to our Telegram groups so that those who are in our Telegram groups can actually join us. Let me just quickly do that. So if you're watching us for the first time, if you're joining us for the first time, please kindly like and share. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time when we release new content. I know it has been a while since I released happening. But I'm glad I'm live today. And in this live, what we're gonna be doing is this. We're gonna be sharing with you guys some analysis. We have some amazing analysis that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys in today's live. Okay, so let me just quickly see how this will work. So I'm gonna share with you some analysis, and I'm also going to give you an update on our amazing DC copy trading services that we are currently running. So we have our live our copy trading. We have our copy trading, and I'm gonna give you an update on what has been taking place on this week copy trading services. And if you didn't know, we now have our website. So if you want to purchase any of our EAs and indicators, or maybe you want to join our VIP group or our copy trading group, you can also visit that website. I will take you through that website so that you can have a look of what we are actually talking about. So if you have any questions, please kindly write them in the in our chat. Then I will answer those questions. So let me just say welcome. If you can hear me, guys, please kindly say it in the chat so that we can proceed. Can you hear me nicely? We had a lot of technical problems. So of these days, I've fallen in love with volatility 150, 151S. It's one of my favorite assets. It's one of my favorite assets. And I think it was yesterday we gave a signal in our VIP group on this. It was on 1 hour. So I think that's the first asset that we're gonna be analyzing. So in our VIP group, I think it was yesterday when price was at this position, we gave a signal. I will show you the signal. So this is what we have a trade that is currently running in our VIP group. We're able to get this amazing buy position. And if you joined us in our previous discussion, I think we also talked about VIX 151S. And we saw that I need to do a follow-up on that. There was a change of character, yes. And it was last week. There was a change of character. And we anticipated the price was going to drop. When was it? It was going to drop and come around this area. But there was a further movement down to this support level. So I want to show you what I discovered. And I think when we had the previous discussion, we said we're going to buy when prices reached our 61.8. I think it was like this, something like this. Something like this. And we wanted to buy at this particular level. It was really, really frustrating when price dropped and then it kept on. I think we took a buy, I remember, some time back. We took a buy around this area and we were anticipating that price was going to respect this 61.8, but unfortunately it failed. I'm going to explain why is it that analysis failed. I then sat down and I really wanted to understand what was taking place. Then that's when I saw that if you look at the market structure currently, we have a consolidation market. The market is consolidating during this period. So if you're going to be using the 61.8, the Fibonacci 61.8, you can't use it when the market is ranging. That strategy, the Fibonacci, the DC 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, that one can never work when the market is consolidating. You will see that the price will never respect the 61.8. So what I then saw is this. I saw that price on the 1 hour is creating highs and lows. Price is basically creating some highs and lows. And overall, the price for a very long time has been bearish. I think we talked about that in our previous discussion. We saw that we can see that price for a very long time, price has been bearish. Price has been dropping. That's one thing that we're able to discover. And we agreed on that. And before price can change direction, price will have to consolidate first. So this is what is taking place. Maybe the consolidation can take some weeks, or maybe we've actually reached what? A point. But we're not going to work with assumptions. We need to work with something that is there. One of the things that I've seen that most traders normally make a mistake is that they want to trade with what they want to see the market doing. But when you're trading or analyzing, you need to analyze what is there, what the market is showing you. So currently we are under consolidation. Until price makes a breakout, we cannot say something. So the breakout is likely going to take on this resistance here. Yes, I'm anticipating that the breakout will likely occur on this resistance. But if you can see, I don't know from where, the 11th of March, from the 10th, okay, from here. Okay, let's just say the month of March, this price has been consolidating. Price has been consolidating. So what we're currently waiting for, so I was able to pick this yesterday. Then I said, okay, so if this is the case, price is on a consolidation, the best approach is to do what? It is for you to wait for a breakout. But currently you can also work with support and resistance trend reversal. This one is trend reversal. There are two types of what? Support or resistance. We have one trend continuation, and trend reversal, support and resistance. So now these are just basically you'll be, for example, during this phase, if you go to lower time frame, this will be what? This will be a downtrend. So we can talk about reversals, support and resistance that occur when price has reached a support and a resistance. So basically, if you're going to be making money in this market, this is what I've discovered. If price reaches here, you're going to be looking for selling opportunities, and then you come to this support level here. But you should be very, very careful. You should be very, very careful. There can be a breakout here. But I would fancy the idea of price coming to this support and buy. I'm telling you, that one would definitely work. But selling on this resistance, you need a strong confirmation. And sometimes you need to observe how price has been moving. I would want to trade a reversal on the resistance if price can make this acceleration towards this resistance level, where we are now talking about how price approaches the a resistance level. If it moves fast like this towards the resistance level, it will also drop very quickly from that particular area. You can see here we had an acceleration, and from there we had a deceleration. So if price can quickly move, and I don't like this consolidation closer to a resistance level. So another sign that you can also make use of is the fact that when price reaches this resistance level, there's likely, if there's going to be a consolidation, that consolidation will imply that there's going to be a likelihood of what? Of a breakout. So that's what I'm trying to say. So now we can trade this reversal, but currently with volatility 151S, there is consolidation. So the best trading approach is for you to wait for price to reach a resistance, then you sell, but making sure that you have a tight stop loss. And when it reaches the support, I'm going to show you what we did in our VIP signals. I think there was a signal. Today we're able to make a very good profit in our VIP group. So this is my VIP group where I send derivative synthetic. Okay, so this was the analysis. Okay, you can see this is how we're able to enter the market. So this is what I saw. I saw that this price is confirmed within these highs and lows. So basically we have a resistance and we have a support. So basically I took the buy from this particular level and we are running in huge profit. Okay, so why do I like trading? So with volatility indices, since the update where derivative increased the lot sizes and what, I've chosen volatility 150. Why? Because even with a dollar, you can still trade volatility 150. It doesn't take a lot of money. It doesn't, what do they call it? Is it margin? Your margin will be fine. Even with a dollar, if you trade it, I think you can place how many positions? How many positions? You can place a lot of positions. So it is, if your analysis is fine, you're in a position, and it also moves very fast. It moves very fast, especially if the direction is correct. So that's the reason why I now like or enjoy trading volatility 150, 1S. Then we also had a very good signal that we shared in our VIP community when we're also looking at volatility 150. If you missed last year the analysis that I did on volatility 275, you missed a lot. Okay, so where is the volatility analysis? Okay, so where is it? Okay, so this is an analysis that I did, I think, when was it? Wednesday, 2 days ago. So we're gonna also look at what? We're also going to look at we're also going to look at volatility 75. So I've explained how we are going to trade volatility 150 until there is a breakout. That's when you can now look for long buying opportunities or long selling opportunities. I have a friend of mine, Mr. Wayne. He's a partner. He's not just a friend. He's also a partner to DC. Since the day that I met this guy, I'm telling you, my life has completely changed. We've done a lot of amazing things. So he has been, when it comes to analysis, he has his own ways of analyzing and doing his own things. So he has been holding this trade for a very long time. He has been holding this trade for a very long time. So, and his, if this happens, if they happen to be a breakout, so what I would want to see is this. And I'm also with the idea that there's going to be a breakout here. If we have a breakout in H1 candle that closes above this resistance, so if you're going to be buying, this is what you're going to do. Wait for a candle and wait for price to move up. When price return again to this resistance, this is when you are going to be buying. I'm telling you, if this happens, there is a likelihood that this year, 2024, VIX 150 will be buying for a very, very long time. So if you get this trade correct, I'm telling you, in December, if you can hold it, if this happens, December, come close to the end of the year, you'll be smiling and you'll thank me later. So we're just going to wait for a breakout. But if there's no breakout, we'll be trading this consolidating. When price reaches the resistance, we sell and we'll buy in December. If you can hold it, if this happens, December, come close to the end of the year, you'll be smiling and you'll thank me later. So we're just going to wait for a breakout. But if there's no breakout, we'll be trading this consolidating. When price reaches the resistance, we sell and we'll buy at this support until there is a breakout. So this will run for many, many years. I'm telling you, price has reached I don't think price can even drop, and I don't know, derivatives a funny way of doing their own things, but price has already reached its low. I don't know if they can take it to a zero, if they can keep on dropping these assets. But because of this consolidation, I'm telling you, they are accumulating orders. They want to make sure that they profit as much as they can during this consolidation. If you're going to be trading volatility 150, I'm telling you, it's difficult. Why is it difficult? Because price is about to change direction. And because of this, when we trade derivative synthetic indices, I'm telling you, there is derivative. We are trading against derivative, which is the broker. So what are they doing currently now? They're trying to make sure that they make as much profit as possible from this consolidation. People will lose money. It's very dangerous to trade during consolidation. So if you are someone who's very reserved and after the breakout, you then know what exactly to do. I'm telling you, if it breaks out, it breaks the resistance. Yes, I'm favoring a breakout on this resistance. If this happens, I'm telling you, you will make a lot of money from this movement. Okay, let me just quickly go and check the charts. Why is it people are not sending charts? What's happening? Why is it?
People are not saying something.
Yeah, maybe there's something with my settings or something. Public, thumbnail, audience. No, it's not for kids. Okay. Why is it people are not? What's happening? Am I talking to myself? Am I still live? Manager, what's happening? Yeah? Manager. Why is it I don't see something is wrong? Something is wrong. I don't know what's happening, but why is it there are no charts? Are there charts? Let me see. Can I check my phone, please? Okay, sorry guys, I just need to check why is it I can't see from my side the charts. I want to answer questions. If there are questions, I want to answer them. Yeah. Okay, sorry guys, just 2 minutes, I'll be done. Let me just check why is it we can't see the charts. I can't see the chart. You guys probably you can see it. Oh, okay. There are so many questions. Okay, let me just go through what people say. Hi, bro. I can't pronounce your name because I can't. I don't know. Maybe it's Arabic. Hello, bro. How are you? How's trading going? Trading has been fine this week. We made a lot of profit in our copy trading. Can you analyze C500? Okay, I'll analyze Crash 500. Then welcome. Hello. Can you please analyze Crash 500? Please. Hi. Okay. There's been a high demand for me to analyze Crash 500. Okay, I'll definitely do that. I don't know how I can pronounce your name because I don't know. It's Arabic or something. Waweru. Guess your internet connection is slow. It's buffing a lot, bro. Yes, that was the main reason why it took me time to start this live. I had problems with the internet. I had to reset it. I don't know. It's acting funny. It's acting funny. Okay, let's go to the next one. Hi, Lofi Songs. Bro, please check your internet connections. Yeah, that's the problem. The internet is buffing. There's no power in many parts of, yes, that's the truth. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's the main reason. You know, with this, yeah, I'm always talking about this. Probably I need to use fiber optic because rain, when there's a problem, a load shedding problem, but probably where the network is situated, there is Russia. It's Russian. Okay, thank you, Mr. Wayne. Okay, so probably there's a problem with the main reason why the internet is very slow. We are having load shedding. Load shedding is where we don't have electricity. There are times when in South Africa there is no electricity. So if we are having electricity problem, the network becomes very, very poor. So that's the reason. So I'm not going to take very long because there is this problem. But the main reason why I wanted to come live, guys, is this. Let me take you through. So this is our VIP group. This is our VIP. So I say in signals in this VIP group for derived synthetic indices. We normally focus on boom and crash, volatility. On volatility, we give any volatility indices analysis or signals. Then we also focus on DEX. We give signals on DEX. Okay, so we also have our spike detector. These things are now there on our website. You can go and make a purchase of this spike detector. It's there on our website. Okay, so so the VIX analysis, I think it was in deep profit. And what happened here? Okay, so this was boom 500. We were able to, when there was a breakout and price closed this fair value gap. I would like you guys to have a look on how I say in signals in this group. Okay, so this was boom. Okay, this was DEX, and from there DEX moved crazily from this particular position. It was able to move up, and we have also created a DEX indicator. Which can help you to trade drops in DEX down and also spikes in DEX up. So this was the analysis that I gave in Boom 500, and just look at how crazy price moved and hit our TP. So today, so this was today. So this was the analysis. So these are some of the results that I give on the analysis. That okay, it's fine. So let me show you what we did today. So today, VIP signals. We had this crazy movement in Boom 500. I was able to see this, how I did an analysis. When was it? Yeah. So this was the analysis. I saw that prices reached a bullish order block. And from this, guys, I'm telling you, it was just crazy how price moved. And reached this take profit, I want you to see what happened. So price started to move up. So here we didn't have electricity. So I closed most of the position because I wasn't aware what was going to take place. Yeah, you know, load shedding. Then price started to move up like crazy. Okay, here you see it then moved up and it hit our TP just like this because of this bullish order block here. Price moved like this, guys. It was just crazy. We made a lot of profit. I think from this movement only, I was also able to make a lot of profit, and those that are in our copy trading group were able to make a lot of profit from that. Okay, let me take you through this week copy trading results. So if you don't know what is copy trading and what has been happening in on this channel, we now have our copy trading services. If you are interested, you need to go, you can join this copy trading by visiting our website. I'll share with you guys the link to our website where you can go and purchase this website, this copy trading services. Okay, so this was today. Different people were sending different analysis. So with our copy trading, let me just share with you what we have on our copy trading. Where is copy trading results? So this is my website. So this is the link. I'm gonna share with you this link so that you can go and what the network is acting up. So this is my the link to my website, to our website. You can go and what visit and also make purchases and also join our groups. So where is this copy trading thing poster? Come on, where is it? So our VIP group is like this. For 1 week it's $10. For 2 weeks it's $18. 1 month it's 30. 3 months it's 80. 6 months it's 150. Then 1 year it's 250. We give signals on booming, crash, volatility indices, step indexes, and jump, but we rarely give signals on jump. Then when it comes to the accuracy, I think if there's someone who's watching who's in our VIP group, the person can actually testify that the signals are very, very profitable. Where is this thing? We made a new one. Copy trading. Where is it? Are you making money?
I made $3.
That's not money. So my wife is also a very good trader, but she doesn't have that that heart. She only likes the heart. Guys, I wanted to talk about copy trading, but I know what I'm gonna talk about. Okay, let's quickly look at the results, this week's results, and then call it a day. Let me just share this in there. I know you guys. Just want to share my copy trading stuff. It's fine. Thank you. Okay, so I want to show you the results of our copy trading and what has been taking place. So let me quickly do that. And we're currently running a promotion, but this promotion is applicable to those who have already joined our copy trading. So this week, from our previous, it was on Saturday. I think it was on Saturday. On Saturday, we made profit. Then Sunday, we were making profit. Then on Monday, we had a huge hiccup. We didn't trade on Monday. There was nothing. But there was also extension on our copy trading. Okay, we want things that are more applicable. So on Monday, I don't know what happened. People were not receiving, they were not receiving they were not receiving signals. So let's start from Sunday. Sunday we made profit. Who was this? So thank you, David and the team. Today was not bad at all. Very stressful, but we made profit. Okay, we made profit and we made 242. But with this lady is a very big, Tanisha is a very big account. It's a big account, okay. She has 1,000, close to 1,000 account. So since the time that she joined on the 14th of March, and since then she has been there in our VIP group. I think when she joined, she had how much? She was in a loss. She had trades that were in a loss, about 400 loss. So basically the equity was somewhere like 600. And today she shared a screenshot. She joined for 1 week. Imagine joining for 1 week. She's managed to accumulate 1,034 US dollars and 30 cents within 1 week. But I'm gonna share with you why is it that she has made. Okay, if you look closely, you can see there are some big trades here that had big losses. I think these are the 2 losses that she made. So we took her account when she was in a 400. She had 1,000 US dollars capital and she was in a loss of what? 400 US dollars. Then we told her to wait a little bit, and then it was reduced to 200. Then she closed. So when she closed, she had these 2 losses. These 2 losses. So the profit was supposed to be a little bit more. But I just wanted you to see that her account within 1 week, it has grown from, she has made a profit of what? 1,000 US dollars, which is amazing. Imagine here in South Africa, 1,000 US dollars is a lot. Somewhere like 19,000, close to 20,000 US dollars. No one gets that amount within 1 week. I used to go to work sometime last year. I think probably now we are in March. It's now 1 year in one. We were not even getting 1,000 US dollars a month. Here in South Africa, I think the average is from 5,000 to 7,000, which is something like 350, 400 US dollars within 1 week from, and she's managed to accumulate a net profit of what? Of 1,000 US dollars within 1 week. Okay, let's look at another. So people were having discussions and I was just laughing. Okay, let me just take you through what we did today. And since our last live last week on Saturday, where we had a live, we were only able to, I think it was yesterday. Yesterday we had a bad day. It was a very, very bad day yesterday. We made a loss of 34 US dollars. We didn't make any profit yesterday. But today it was massive. Today we were able to recover the loss from yesterday and we made a huge, huge profit. Okay, so let's start from there. This was Wednesday. Today is what? Friday. Okay. So this is what we made on Friday, 46. We made 46 US dollars on Wednesday. Then yesterday it was tough. Yesterday was rough. So we had this guy. We are managing his account. He has 8,000 US dollars in his account. So when we made 450, because he has a multiplier of times 10. So this is what will happen if you have a big account. We can make use of a multiplier. The minimum deposit that is required for you to start this copy trading is 100 US dollars. And our daily target is 50 US dollars. Then at the end of the week, you must be able to accumulate from 350 to 400 US dollars. I want to take you through what has happened in this trade. So if you have a big account, maybe you have 1,000 US dollars, like this guy has 10,000, he has 8,000, 7,000, I'm not sure. He's using a multiplier. So the multiplier is 10 times whatever that we are doing. So when we made $446, he was able to make 450 US dollars. So if you have a bigger account, you can also join and be part of this. So this is what happened in this guy. account. So another thing, you see, this guy is also in our copy trading. So because of the problem of electricity here in Africa, it's now becoming an African problem where electricity is going now and then. So with this guy, he's in Zimbabwe. So he was able to make, when we made $46, he was able to make $4. Why? Because his laptop was off. So what I would suggest if you want to join our copy trading is this. You have to make sure that you have VPS. I made a video on YouTube where I was showing people how to make free VPS where you don't need to pay anything. So you can also make use of that. But if that is more complicated, you can pay $7, which is $6.99. There is PIVPS. That one, it can also works perfectly. If you have VPS, even if the laptop switches off, but you are connected to a VPS, I'm telling you, you will not miss signal. So what this guy did, he missed some signals because of electricity. Okay, so Tanita was just giving us an update. He joined on Thursday. It was on Wednesday yesterday, that day. Then she was giving an update that she has made 641. That was on Wednesday. Was it on Wednesday? Yes, on Wednesday. And then yesterday it was tough. I'm telling you, yesterday we suffered a loss of $34 US. We tried, but it was tough. In trading, that's the reality. In trading, yeah, we made a loss of 46 US. Then today we made money. So the only day for this week that we made a loss was yesterday, and the loss was 34. So imagine from Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Monday we didn't trade. Tuesday we made money. Wednesday we made money. Then Thursday. So of all the 6 days, is it 6? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Saturday, Sunday. Then Monday we didn't trade. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Of all the 6 days, we only made a loss on one day, and the loss was very minimal. There is never a day where we would lose something like $50. There is nothing like that. At the end of each and every day, I'm telling you, you'll be able to make money. So that was the loss that we made. It was 34. At the end of the day, we reduced the loss. It was 34. Yesterday was a very tough day for us. Okay. Then today, people made money. I'm talking about serious money. People made huge profits. But we had an interruption, because if we didn't have that interruption of electricity, not the availability of electricity, we're going to benefit immensely from the CRASH 1000 trade. But we ended up closing the trade prematurely. You see here, we were able to close this trade because we didn't have the electricity. But we were able to benefit from that boom 1000 signal. And I want to take you through the profits that we made today. So today, yesterday we made $34 loss, but today we're able to make 58 US. This is how much we're able to make today. And then we have different people sending different screenshots. So this is this guy, he made 187 US profit today. We did very well today, and this guy made a lot of money. My network is not that good. People were very happy. You can see. So Pastor Akile is also a member in our VIP, in our copy trading group. He has been making withdrawals. I'm telling you, he joined last week. His subscription is ending here, but I'm telling you, he has made over $500 US in profit over the course of the time that he has joined, over that week. Imagine just depositing $100. At the end of the week, you'll be having $500 US. Here in South Africa, I'm telling you, it's a lot of money. It's close to 9 or 10,000 rand within 1 week. And I'm telling you, there are less people who are going to good jobs. I used to work and I had a very good job, and those guys used to pay me nicely. I'm telling you. And it was roughly close to that figure, I'm telling you. So when you start, you get something like close to that figure. And maybe you'll be paid something like 800 US dollars, 800 US dollars or 900 in a month. So I'm telling you, if you can get 500 US dollars a week, it's massive. That's why I ended up leaving that job, because I know I trust in trading. So Tanita, one of the guys, we have a lot of capital. He has a multiplier. I'm not sure if it's 1.5 or what. Today only, she was able to make 368 US dollars. So we recovered from that loss that we made yesterday. Then this guy is one of the guys that we have. He has a very big account, 8,000 US dollars account. So today only, he was able to make 1,821 US dollars in profit, because he's using a multiplier of what? Times 10. So he made 1,000. Everyone in our group made close to 182 US dollars. But this guy is a multiplier of times 10. So his account has been growing massively because he has a multiplier. I think he's getting close to doubling his account now, because he's making huge profit. Okay, so people were now sending their profits today, and people were enjoying. But I had there was this chart. So I just want to comment on that comment. I remember I used to be just an ordinary trader. I used to lose money. I think we got to a point, me and my wife almost divorced because of trading. I used to lose big. I'm telling you, I used to lose big. What I've discovered in trading is this: when you lose, just know that you're in the right path, because it pushes you. If you're someone who's very rational, I'm telling you, if you lose, you become a better version of yourself. In trading, you become better through losing. So losing is very good when it comes to trading. I evolved because of losing. I used to make money, and I used to make money in trading, but I will eventually lose it. But through my years of trading, I'm telling you, through my years of trading, my wife is disturbing me. I'm sorry, guys. Wait, please. Hold that trade. Okay, so through my years of trading, I have evolved, and I evolved because of losing. I used to lose, but I didn't give up. Even if my have evolved, and I evolved because of losing. I used to lose, but I didn't give up. Even if my wife wanted to leave me, I said, you know what? If there is trading and there is you, I've chosen trading. If you are going to leave me, you're going to leave me, because this is who I am. Then one day, I knew things. I knew support and resistance. I knew some basic stuff, but eventually I would lose whatever that I was getting. Then one day when I was going to work, I didn't like where I was working, like most of you guys. But I'm not saying you should leave your job. Then I made a prayer. So this is what I use 6 o'clock until the next day, 6 o'clock. I'll be trading through the night, and I will make money. Maybe during one night I'll make 200 US dollars, but I will eventually lose that money. So I was really pissed off. I was really stressed. Then I prayed. Then I said, God, if you can make me understand how this thing works. So honestly speaking, it's not my own intelligence or my own abilities that has helped me to reach where I am. Okay, currently our group is about 24, 26, 28 members. I'm managing 28 accounts currently, and there are people with huge money. I evolved not because of my own abilities, not because of my own losses, but God inspired me, like what that guy was saying. God, I'm telling you, if there is a secret behind me, if even you guys, I think those who normally follow me, you can actually testify when it comes to analysis, there is something extra about how I analyze my charts. And the secret is this. I'm giving you the secret. The secret is this. God is behind this. I'm telling you, it's not my own ability. I prayed, I said, God, if I can understand this, I will share it with the world. That's my ambition. That's the next step. If we can fill up these 100 spots that are there in our copy trading, I'm telling you, I'm gonna start. The first place where I'm gonna go is Zimbabwe. I'm gonna go back to Zimbabwe, establish a trading academy, share with the world. I'm telling you, I used to be in Zimbabwe, very educated. There are many youths that are there that are suffering. There is no source of income. There are no jobs. Trading is going to transform Zimbabwe. I'm telling you, trading is going to transform Zimbabwe, and DC will be on the forefront transforming these youths. I know there are so many people who are there in Zimbabwe who are suffering, who are not getting any source of income. If they can join this, imagine if you can deposit $100 and I trade your account, at the end of the week you get 400. How much? I remember when I was in Zimbabwe, I used to cry and crave for an opportunity to be a teacher. Imagine you have a BS honors in economics and you want to be just a mere teacher. I used to, and how much are they paid? They are paid something like $200 a month. An educated person, people with masters and what. If you are a teacher in Zimbabwe, roughly you get that amount. But I can make that amount in a day. This is how powerful trading is. You don't need to go and do all these things. This is life changing, I'm telling you. So, okay. Then, so I just wanted to comment on that comment. When people were talking about this, I just laughed. This is just confirmation, guys. I prayed. I remember some years back, there was a day when I was going early in the morning. I was going to work. It was very cold. I didn't like going and working at that place. Although I was one of the best teachers. If you go to that school and you ask, I used to produce results. I would have an average of 80%. 90%. If you look at the students who would get distinctions, they were my students. In a class of 30 or 25 learners, I'm telling you, 10 students with distinctions do anything. God has to be put first. So that's my secret. There are so many people who trade. There are so many people who do. The thing that you need to do is this. That's the, okay. If you look at different religions and you look for someone who can be your mentor in this trading, I'm telling you, the secret that is behind trading is knowledge. Why is it the heathen? Someone who doesn't believe in God will make it in trading. And why is it Christians? A secret. The secret in trading is this. Even if you don't believe in God, even if you believe in God, if you don't acquire the necessary knowledge that will equip you in moving in a profitable path, you are still going to be to lose. Regardless of the fact that you are a Christian, regardless of you don't believe that God exists. So if you are a Christian now, you just pray, I'm going to make money in this trading. Today I'm going to make $1,000 and you don't have the knowledge, I'm telling you, you are still going to lose. And you end up is this. One, acquire the necessary knowledge. Feast on knowledge. I remember there was a time that I spent about 2 years. After work, I would come and I go on YouTube. I would follow people, look at different hours. Even now, that's why I like trading. Trading is always evolving. Even now, I rarely watch movies. I spend a lot of time increasing my knowledge, the things that I know about trading. So I used to read PDF. I used to read a lot of books. I used to watch a lot of trading videos on YouTube. That knowledge and let go. You can never miss it. One who's very great. DC is going to become, I don't know, one of the best traders that you've ever seen. And you'll be glad that you've witnessed the making of DC. I'm telling you, so this is the foundation, I'm telling you. So what I'm working toward, if we can get to 100 people, I'm going to move on to the next thing. That's the main reason making something. On each and every week, we are hitting our targets. Okay, so people were happy and were saying different things. So I just wanted to comment on what Tafara said in this copy trading group. Definitely on point, Tafara. So these guys Phil was also agreeing with what Tafara was saying. Then I can't stop laughing. I was just okay. Okay, so this is what Tafara then said. DC has a strategy called 106. If you haven't watched that strategy, guys, you all know that when it comes to trading, people have different strategies. I'm the first one. If you look at Boom and Crash, I'm the first YouTuber or trader. I don't even know anyone quickly where a spike is going to occur. And how did I come up with that? I don't even know how I came up with that. But honestly, it was the inspiration that I got from God. That idea just came as I spent a lot of time just observing charts. And the reason why I know Deriv, probably they watch all these videos, make use of this strategy now, because they will try to counter, they will try to come up with counter strategies so that they can destroy this 106 strategy. But it's within their algorithms. There's nothing. So changing the whole algorithm, I'm telling you, it takes a lot. But I'm telling you, this one it's a strategy that I discovered that the algorithm sells out this broker. Their algorithm, I was able to pick up the 106 strategy. So I'm telling you, this is one of the best strategies. So I don't work with the deriv, but I'm telling you, this strategy came from God. Yeah, it came from God. So how do God speak to people? So did I have an interaction with God? Did God really appear to me and say, okay, DC, there's a strategy called 106? No, this is how I think God speaks to people. The Bible also says that we have a mindset of Christ. When you're born again, you have the mindset of Christ. So the things that come in your mind sometimes are the whispering of God. These are the voices of what? Of God. This is how God speaks to people. It comes as an idea. This is how people have been misled. You go to church, you pay your tithe, and you're waiting for the blessings. When God blesses you, He gives you an idea. When God speaks to you, He gives you, when He's giving you solutions, He speaks to your idea. He speaks to your mind. So I believe that God gave me that. If it was me, there was no way that I could come up with that strategy. Yes, it came into my mind, but where exactly did it come from? The source was God, because I believe that God speaks through my mind. Okay, okay, let's go. So I've answered that question, Mr. Tafara. Really awesome. Also, people were so Mr. Wayne was saying, Mr. Wayne is one of the partner that we have in DC. He's one of the partner. He's changed my life, guys. I'm telling you. I love God. I love God. And in January, the beginning of the year, Prophet E. Makandiwa, my father, prophesied that we're going to meet a significant personality, was going to create a significant connection. And I met Wayne during that period. So with DC, it's all about God. God is my backbone, is everything to me. So I met this guy. Since the time that I met this guy, things have massively changed. I'm telling you, we started copy trading. We have created a lot of EA. Wherever that I'm gonna go, I will go with. Of March till today, well done. So this is the profit that she has made. This is the profit that she has made through our copy trading. So guys, if you're making losses, we have a solution. We now have our signal services. If there's someone who's there in our signal service, please just comment on the quality of the signals that are there. Then we also have our copy trading. There is no reason why you should continue losing your money. Join our copy trading, join our VIP signals. So in our copy trading, what are the things, what are the requirements that are there? What are the things, if you want to join this copy trading, what are the things that you need to do? Okay. So for copy trading, one, we focus on booming, crash, and volatility, and also DEX signals. Then the accuracy of our signals is 90%. Then the minimum capital that you need for you to join our copy trading is $100. Listen, there's a different and unique way that we do our copy trading. Most people, they do account management, where you send your login details and what, and people end up scamming and taking your money. I've heard so many cases of people who have lost their money. Don't send your login details to anyone. You don't send your login details, your password, your what, you don't send that. It's very easy. If that person makes money, is gonna withdraw and you vanish. You never find that person again. So I didn't like that part of account management. So we developed our own, which is DC copy trading, where we use an EA. How do we do our copy trading? That's the part that I'm now explaining. We use FX Blue, which is a software that allows me to link to your account. So we just give you an EA, you connect. So you need to register with FX Blue. When you register, we'll then send you the FX Blue software, which is just an EA. When you load it in your system and you put the login details and the password, your account, basically when we are doing copy trading, I am trading your account. There is nothing that you will be doing. So imagine when you wake up, that's what I normally do. When I'm trading, I normally trade from 3 a.m. when CAE time, Central African time. That's when I normally want to trade. Why? Because I want to observe how the first hourly candle will be. In most cases, price will move. By the time that we reach 5, 6 o'clock, I'll be done trading. If it's $100 that I want to make, from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, in most cases, I'll be done. 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, I'm done. So every time when you wake up in the morning, you see your account will be growing and it will be growing. I don't have access to your email. Access to your email. I don't have access to your account, your derivative account. So that means you will take care of the withdrawals. You withdraw your profit. For now, we don't want anything from the withdrawal. So this 1,000 that this woman has made, or the 1,800 that man has made, one of our clients, we don't want anything from the profit. So for you to join, before you join our copy trading services, you will be asked to pay. If you're going to be subscribing for 1 week, you'll be asked to pay $65. So yes, some might say $65 is a lot, but after that week, those who have joined, there's never a day that we have not reached that $300 to $400. So from that 400 profit, I'm telling you, if you do your math correctly, you'll see that you'll be in a very, very big profit. So what you need, one, is your $100 that you're going to deposit in your account. Then if you want to join for 1 week, you need to put $65 as your fee. This is the fee that you give to us. And you can only do this, you can also do this on our website. If you visit our website, we now have a website. Let me share with you the link to our website. But before I do that, let me just finish on this one. So for 1 week subscription is $65. And by the end of that week, I'm telling you, of all the 3 weeks that we've been running our copy trading, we have surpassed the $400 weekly target. So one, we have a daily target, which is $50 plus or more. So sometimes we can reach maybe like today 180, but we're just giving this as a general target, where 50 is the daily target, but we can sometimes reach that. We can even go beyond that. Then the weekly target is from 350. I'm telling you, that weekly target of all the 3 weeks that we have been running our copy trading, I'm telling you, we have managed to hit those targets. So considering the profit that you are going to be getting and the $65 fee for 1 week, from 350 to 400. So I'm telling you, that weekly target of all the 3 weeks that we have been running our copy trading, I'm telling you, we have managed to hit those targets. So considering the profit that you are going to be getting and the $65 fee for 1 week subscription, you can do the math. You will be in a position to make a lot of money. And considering the fact that you're doing nothing, you'll be doing nothing. You don't trade, you don't analyze. I do that for you. You don't even lift your finger. So the only thing that you'll be doing is this. If you look at Pastor Akile, I think he has been constantly withdrawing. That's the only thing that he's doing. The whole week he has been withdrawing. That's the only thing that he's doing in his account. He's been withdrawing money from his account. That's the only thing that you'll be doing. Then we also make use of a lot size multiplier on a bigger account. Like that guy who has 8,000 account is using a 10 lot size multiplier. So what it means is this: if you make $182, it's going to make $1,800 US. So if you have a big account, you can also join and you make use of this lot size multiplier. I'm telling you, people are making money. This is the easiest way to make money. And I thank Mr. Wayne for introducing this to us. I always wanted to do this, but we didn't have the right structures to do it. So it's fully automated trade copier. So you don't do anything. Once you are connected to my account, you don't do anything, I'll be trading for you. Works best with VPS. This is the most important point that I need to make sure that you guys get it, understand. So for this copy trading, if it's gonna work, your system has to be on for the greater part of the day, not the greater part of trading. But you need $7 extra. But it's not my own VPS. It's a company called PIVPS. I just use them. But those guys, in terms of customer service, guys, I'm telling you, they're not that good. But I've been using this since it's now close to 3 years. It has no problems. They delay in sending the documents, but I'm telling you, sometimes they're instant. After making the pages, you receive an email with the password and the IP address that you can make use for your VPS. So the most important thing is this, guys. For copy trading, even if you have a laptop or your PC, you need VPS. When you have VPS, even if there is load shedding and I'm trading, I'm also trading here, those trades will be automatically executed in your account. But if you don't have VPS, there's loss of connection. There was a guy who joined us. We made a lot of money in Volatility 150S. His account, then we closed the trades. Then the price kept on moving up. He made a lot of money, I'm telling you. But he then left the trade because it's automatic. But because of the fact that there was no network where he is, those trades, when he came back, he was only able to make $45. But I'm telling you, he had made a lot of profit from that. But because of the network issues, because of electricity, if you have VPS, I'm telling you, copy trading will be very, very smooth flowing. So we started, considering that we started 3 weeks ago, we now have about 28 subscribers to our copy trading services, which is wonderful. And we know that not this one is not the one. This one is the group. It's not for copy trading. Okay. We now have 28 people who are joining. So we only have 100 spots that are available. And join this. Give it a test. Give it a test. See how this will go. I'm telling you. My wife is disturbing me. Okay, guys, let me just quickly check the charts. Can I have my phone? I want to check what people are saying. Before I call it a day. Nope. It's your trade. Okay, let me just quickly check the charts. What are you guys saying before I call it a day? So I'll be giving you, it depends. I always want to do this every day, but because of the schedules that I'm now running, I'm telling you, sometimes I won't be able to do it. Let me just go through the charts and check what you guys are saying. I thought I was going to be, it's almost an hour. Okay, let me go through the charts and see what people are saying here. We have our problem, because of this. Okay. The network is very bad. I can't even see the charts now. I just want to go through the charts. Load shedding is killing us. The charts are not loading. Someone said, okay, so in my next live, this is what I'm gonna do. But someone was saying, please look at Crash. I know the reason why he's saying, please look at Crash 500. Let me just show you what is taking place. So with Crash 300, I'm telling you, playing games. But those weekly focus, I know. Okay, charts are now big. Can you please take Crash 500? You know the reason why people are saying please check Crash. People are selling. Shh. People are selling Crash 1000, Crash 500. And now because of how the price is moving, overall, let me go to the daily. I talked about this in one of the weekly forecasts. I told you that Crash for a very long time is gonna move up. And here we can see we had on a daily, we had a head and shoulder pattern. And here we had the neckline that was broken. And here we had the retest. So price is going to go for a very long time up. But now, because of this consolidation, maybe we can start now experiencing some bearish momentum. But basically, what I can say is this: Crash 500 is bullish. So when it's bullish, if you go there and you sell, I'm telling you, you lose a lot of money. So I think this is what is taking place. This is why many people are asking me to analyze Crash 1000. So what you can do is this: if you want to buy, wait for we can see where the break of structure price came down to this level and it's moving up. Maybe because of this daily fair value gap, maybe we can start now to experience some sales. Price will start selling because there's a very big gap here, this daily fair value gap. So even if price is bearish, it has to cover this gap before it continues to move up. So let me see what is taking place here.
My account.
Yes. You think I work for Deriv?
Work for me.
Why work for you? Okay. I would want to see something like that. We have a fair value gap here.
I'm pattern.
So you're saying, David, can you please come daily, make live, give us specific times? I wish I can do that. Okay, let's do this. 12. But if I say I'll be coming live every day, 12 o'clock. Yes, I normally trade. Yes, I normally trade from 10 o'clock, 8 o'clock. I'm done. So let's do this. If tomorrow I will not go live, we have a meeting. Then Saturday, Sunday, I'm not gonna go live. On Monday. So let's do this. Maybe Monday to Friday, 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. CAT time, I'll be going live. Yes, I guys, it's my desire. Everything that I know, I'm willing to share with you. Everything that I know, so that you guys can also become profitable. So let's do this from Monday to Friday. And during weekends, if time permits, weekends it's a little bit hectic, maybe I might not get the opportunity to go live. Monday to Friday, from 12 o'clock, 12 midday, not 12 midnight, 12 midday CAT time, I'll be going live on YouTube. And it is also my desire to also grow my Facebook account, but I need to first of all update my system, and then I can do that. So this is what is taking place now. Price has to drop and come to this level. So you can draw a trend line and you can wait for price to come to this level. So I'm anticipating a drop here. Price will reach this trend line here and then it will continue moving upwards. So maybe now, why is it I'm anticipating a drop? Let me just check here what would be the reason. The universe and God has a plan for David, and I to meet, we make things happen. Yeah, that's true. That's true, Mr. Wayne. Hey, the buffing is too much, guys. My apologies. It's actually because of load shedding. Okay, someone is asking, can you join copy trading with $50? Yes, it's possible. You can join copy trading with $50, but the risk is too much. The safest or the best minimum deposit that is safe. I remember there are some people who joined with 50. In their account is actually grown. They actually made some close to $300 profit this week. We had some subscribers who we had $50 account, but the risk is too much. It's possible you can do it, but the risk is too much. Can you do a promotion on the copy trading price fee? Currently, we are not going to do the promotion, but we have something that is there for those who have joined our copy trading. If you join our copy trading and you bring someone else, you joined, you are there in the copy trading, we have a promotion for you. So for every person that you bring in our copy trading, if you have joined, how? Okay, you need for you. There's need for you to what? To join copy trading. Then if you bring someone else who's not there in the copy trading, we'll give you 2 days extra. 2 days extra. So if you bring people in our copy trading, you will be getting 2 days extra. So that means if you want to join for free, just make sure you bring 3 people. That's 3. That's how many days? 3 days. How many days? 3 people, 6 days. So that means you gain, if you can bring 3 people in our copy trading to join, they join, you will get 6 days free in our copy trading. I think that is, can I try to explain? My wife is bothering me with closing. Okay, so if you bring 3 people, you'll get 6 days free in our copy trading. And imagine the copy trading is what? Is $65. So you have an opportunity to save that $65. So that's the promotion that we have. If you can bring 3 people, they have your referral. These are the people that I'm bringing. They join our copy trading. You will get 6 days free in our copy trading. Guys, I'm telling you, on a very good day, 1 day in our copy trading means a lot. 1 day in our copy trading means a lot. And there are some people who are smart, who are always trying to extend their subscriptions and doing funny things, but it's fine. They know the value in the value of the services that we are providing in our copy trading industry. Okay, guys, I don't want to make this very long. I know it will be boring because of the buffing and what it will be boring, but I'm telling you, copy trading is the way to go. So please join us and we can start making money together. So all this being said, I think I've answered most of the questions that are there. Yes, so we are working on that. This is what is there. So we're gonna sit down with my partners and we can also do it on, we can have a track record such that we can have a referral link. Yes, like this guy is talking about the referral link that you can use, and maybe we can see in our system that this one was referred by this one and we can get a certain amount of, but for now we're not talking about money. We'll be talking about days in our copy trading, which is also equivalent to money. So if you can get, for now, let's just say 3 referrals. If you can refer 3 people, they join our copy trading, you can get a week. I think I can talk to my partner, Mr. Wayne. Let's just say 3 people, you get a week access to copy trading. Refer 3 people in our copy trading. But how are we going to know that they have been referred by you? I think that's one thing that we're going to sit down and see. Maybe we can make use of a referral link or something, a promotional code or something that identifies you, so that when you're doing these promotions, you can, the people that will be coming from your side that you have introduced this copy trading can actually be linked to you. So I think we'll sit down and work on something like that. because we want to fill up these 100 spots. Until then, I will not be producing a lot of videos, but if I get the opportunity and chance, I have a lot of videos that I want to share with you guys. Hey, my wife is now making noise. Thank you so much, guys, for your time. Enjoy your day.